How to repair a hairline crack. This video will show you how to repair a crack on a solid oak wood tabletop. You will need the following: a cleaning cloth, paper tape, PVAC glue, a utility knife, some sawdust or sandpaper. You can create sawdust by rubbing a hidden area of your table with sandpaper, or wood paste can be used as an alternative. First, clean the surface with a soft, dry cloth. Then, scrape out any leftover sawdust with your utility knife. Place paper tape on each side of the crack. Make sure to follow the line of the crack from 2 to 3 millimeters. Fill the crack with PVAC glue. Apply sawdust on the glue. Proceed quickly before the glue has dried. Rub the dust with the glue into the crack. Remove any excess sawdust with a cloth. Repeat until the crack is filled. Carefully remove the paper tape and peel away any excess tape. Scrape away sawdust residue using a utility knife. Let it dry and clean with a cloth. For a more uniform finish, you can sand and oil your table as instructed in the video Care Instructions Oak Oiled Ethnicraft products.